Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get rising talent on Upwork. So you can see there is already rising badge is available on my profile. So I will teach you how you will get rising talent badge. So in the browser you can open the community guidelines how to get the rising talent badge on Upwork. So here is understand the rising talent badge. Learn how to get the rising talent badge. So individuals complete the project on time and promise to client feedback it's matter. So there is a 100% complete your profile accurate skills with genuine work. So keep your availability status updated, regularly submitted proposal to projects match your skill, adhere to Upwork terms of services, have been activated from the past 90 days or joined the past 30 days. So you have also get job success score. So this is the criteria you will get rising talent badge. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.